Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to tackle a really simple but honestly a game-changing feature in Microsoft Outlook, dark mode. We're going to walk you through exactly how to turn it on, and I mean everywhere, no matter what device you're using. So, are you tired of that bright white screen just glaring at you? If you're like me and spend a ton of time in your inbox, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That bright glare can be a real headache, literally. But you'll be happy to know there's a super simple fix for that. Okay, so before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about the why. Why should you even bother? What are the real perks of, coming over to the dark side? Well, the benefits are pretty clear-cut. That standard default view, it can really cause eye strain, and believe it or not, it drains your battery faster. But with just one little switch to dark mode, you get instant relief for your eyes, especially if you're working in low light. And here's a really cool little tidbit. If your phone or device has an OLED screen, which a lot of them do these days, dark mode literally saves power. That's because those black pixels are just off. They're not using any energy. So yeah, it's a total win-win for your eyes and your battery life. All right, let's get down to business. We're going to start with the big ones, the desktop. So if you're using Outlook on a Windows PC or a Mac, this first part is for you. Okay, Windows users, listen up. It's just 3 super quick steps. First, you're going to click on File, then head over to Office Account. From there, you'll spot the Office Theme drop-down menu. Now you've got choices. Black is that deep, true dark mode, which I personally love, but dark gray is also a great option if you want something a little softer. Oh, and just a heads up, this change will apply across your other Office apps too, like Word and Excel, which is pretty neat. But hold on, here's a great little pro tip. What if you love the dark look for the app itself, but when it comes to actually reading your emails, you prefer that classic black text on a white background? Well, guess what? Outlook has you covered with a really specific setting just for that. So to get this cool setup, you're going to go to File and then Options. Right there on the General tab, make sure your Office theme is set to black. Then just look for a little checkbox that says Never change the message background color. You're going to want to check that box, click OK, and boom, you've got the best of both worlds. All right, Mac users, your turn. Now, Outlook on a Mac can just follow your system's theme, but if you want to set it yourself, it's super easy. Just open up Outlook, go to Outlook in the menu bar, and click Preferences. From there, select General, and you'll see the option to choose the dark appearance. And that's it. Simple as that. Okay, desktop is done, but what about when we're on the move? Let's talk about how to get this set up on your phone, whether you're on Android or an iPhone. For all you Android folks out there, this is incredibly easy. Open the Outlook app, tap on your profile picture up in the top left corner, and then tap that little settings gear. Just scroll down a bit until you see Appearance. Tap on that and choose the dark theme. Seriously, your eyes are going to thank you for this one. And for everyone on an iPhone or an iPad, guess what? The steps are pretty much exactly the same. You're going to tap your profile pic, hit the settings gear, find Appearance down in the preferences, and select dark. It is that easy to give your mobile inbox a whole new vibe. But hey, we're not done yet. What about when you're not using an app at all? A lot of us just use a web browser to check our email. So let's cover how to switch on dark mode for Outlook on the web. This might be the easiest one of the whole bunch. For real, just go to Outlook.com and sign in. See that little gear icon in the top right corner? Click it. And right there, you'll see a simple toggle switch for dark mode. Just flick it on, and you are done. One click. Okay, so we've covered pretty much every way you can use Outlook. But what if you're trying all this and you just don't see the dark mode option? What then? Don't worry, it happens. We've got a couple of final super helpful tips for you. So 9 times out of 10, if a feature like this is missing, it's usually because something just needs an update. The first thing you should do is head to your App Store and make sure your Outlook app is the latest and greatest version. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is to check if your device's main operating system, Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS is all up to date. That usually solves it. And there you go. That's everything you need to know to enable dark mode across all your Outlook platforms. It really is such a small, simple change, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in your day-to-day. So now that you're a dark mode master, what are you going to customize next?